That's a lot of groceries today.
But we have cooling team. It'll be fine. Call the Hygiene Fresh department. Hygiene Fresh team, we are good, right?
All good!
How's the Spaceplus Ice System? Do we have ice filled up? It is working well.
Yes, it is.
Keep cool, be fresh. LG Refrigerator. Is it an apple or a plum? It was an apple. What a waste.
No worries. Linear cooling keeps temperature consistent by reducing fluctuation to keep food fresh. All you need is linear cooling. Keep cool, be fresh. LG Refrigerator.